everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this Kendall Jenner inspired look, so just keep watching if you want to see it. So here we go. I am popping on some Luminous Silk Foundation by Armani, and for my primer I use Professional, and now I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer as a base, and Heaps of Sweets by Shanaxo as my palette. I'm taking the colour Macaron in the crease, and then I added the pink and the purple shade in the palette as my colour. So with this look, it's really important that you apply colour and blend and repeat that step lots and lots. If you want it a really pigmented finish, you just keep applying the product, the shadow on the lid, and then blend and repeat that step 4 or 5 times, and then it would last you longer.
Well, from ever you want me to be, 'cause my identity has been lost to me.
So for my concealer, I am using the Power Fabric by Armani, and I use that to cover up any acne scars as well as brighten my under eye circles and brighten my chin area. And then I took a beauty blender and just blended that out.
Let the pieces fall to the cold ground where they belong. I'm hanging on to every word that you breathe, because my sanity has been lost to me, lost to me, lost to me, lost to me.
Okay, and then for my brows, I use the Maestro by Armani. These are shadow and brow pomades. They're really, really nice, and I just use that to thicken my brows and give me more of a fuller brow. I'm really sorry about the light that changes constantly in this video. I do use natural lighting for my videos, so it does change quite a lot throughout this clip, and I'm sorry about that. And then I blended the purple shade, pink and purple shade, through the bottom of my lashes as well. And then I used a black liner by MAC all through my waterline to really get that smoky effect. And then I also used a liner brush just to map out where I wanted my liner to go. With this look, I wanted my winged liner to be quite thin, not as thick through the middle, to make my eyes more almond shaped. So I did use my Elizabeth Arden eyeliner to create that look. You can see it's a lot thicker on the outer edges, and then I tried to go more thin on the inner. And then curled my lashes with my Shiseido eyelash curlers. I love these eyelash curlers, they're the best. And here I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I did get mascara on my lid, which you can see here, and I didn't realize, so that's a bummer. And then I'm using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, my favorite bronzer in the universe, as a contour. I love this bronzer, and I love this bronzing brush. This one is from NARS, it's very nice. And then I use a pinky blush from MAC. I don't actually have the name of this blush, unfortunately. I've had it in my palette for a long time, and I love it. I love blush. Designer brand Mist to set my foundation and everything into place.
To chase what you've been dreaming, for you I strive. And every week is a season, the winter's got my knuckles bleeding, but I don't mind.
Lastly, I used a designer brand nude lip liner. Now in the visual that I used, Kendall did have quite overdrawn lips, which I was pretty happy about because I love overdrawing my lips, and I just went ahead and overdrew them. This is a really nice pinky nude shade, and that's the finished look. I'm really annoyed about that black dot on my lid. I did not realize it was there for a long time, so sorry about that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, because it really helps to support my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Here you can see a photo of the visual that I used. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.